What's going on, guys? It's Nick, back again from Affordable Credit Restoration of Louisiana. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your credit profile in order to get funding. It's really simple. Nothing special, nothing too out of the way, nothing impossible. First thing you're going to need is a clean credit profile. You know, you're starting off with bad credit. One of the first things I advise my personal clients is to get a My Jewelers Club account. My Jewelers being that they have a $5,000 credit limit. So when you're going through the dispute process, when you're going through the credit repair process, you know, you have a $5,000 trade line that's maturing on your credit. So when the process is over with and you have a clean credit, you know, we can go ahead and add trade lines on you and send you to different banks. Another account that I recommend that people add is a sub-lender. Sub-lender being that they're an installment loan. You know, a lot of people that don't have installment loans. You know, you have like an auto loan with good payment history, a mortgage. You don't need, soft lender. You know, but a lot of times I see people that don't have installment loan. You want to have a well-rounded credit file. You don't want anything thin. Some more places like Huntington Chase, Oxpub, things like that, you can add to your credit profile in order to kind of beef it up. You know, once those accounts are added and your credit's clean, little to no inquiries. You know, the first place I send people is to Chase. That's the first spot. I advise them to get either the Chase Slate or the Chase Sapphire. Either one of these two. Being that Chase pulls all three, and they also have the 5 and 24 months rule. So that's the first spot I send people, is the Chase. Next spot is Capital One. I advise them to get the Quicksilver. Being that, they're excellent, card to have, excellent rewards, etc., a nice size limit. This is the second card I send them to get. The next card, being that certain credit unions like PenFed, Navy Federal, they pull exclusively certain credit bureaus. That's what I tend to work on next. PenFed, they pull Equifax. I send them to, get a credit card from PenFed. After that, I might send them to American Express. Being that they exclusively pull Experian, banks like Wells Fargo pull Experian. I might send them different places. All depends on, what they want. In the instance that, let's say, they get denied by American Express, more than likely I would advise them to open up a savings account with American Express, build up a relationship with American Express. Like NASA Federal Credit Union, they pull TransUnion as well. You get denied, open up a savings account, checking account, build a relationship with these banks. So the next time, or the next round of funding, you're able to get approved, being that you're not a total stranger to them. You also have higher credit scores. Let's say you have credit cards that you already have that have smaller limits. Like, let's say you have a Capital One Platinum. I would strongly advise that if it's on secure Platinum, to go ahead and ask for an increase. Ask for an increase on the cards that you already have. So let's say, on the business side, you want to go back to some of these places like Chase, Capital One. They'll loan you around the same amount of limit that you already have on your personal. It's not magic. You can add trade lines for business if you want to PG the business cards. It's the same thing, same algorithm. It's nothing special. Somebody says, hey, I'm going to get you 150-some-thousand in funding. They're not doing magic. It's pretty simple once you understand the credit score needed, what type of file you need, who pulls exclusively from where. It's pretty simple. I have a credit card funding ebook that I sell cheap. It's like $10. I pretty much walk you through the whole funding process, what you need to have, type of credit score is needed, what banks pull where, etc. So really just taking the guesswork out. Really just, you don't have to go do the research yourself. It's all in one ebook. You can go ahead and check that out. Really and truly, It's not magic. Once you get educated and actually find out how this game works, it's pretty easy to get funding. Let's say, for example, you just want to have a high limit credit cards, but you really want to PG the business side. Go ahead and let those primaries that you just acquired, let them age, for about 6 months, and then go ahead and do the same process. Get some AUs, authorized users, and go ahead and apply for certain business cards. You have a business, Capital One, Navy Federal, Chase, Bank of America, PNC Bank, First National Bank, Omaha. They do PG credit cards without any serious documents. You got to come with Navy Federal. They do $15,000 business loans with no docs. It's all on what you want to do, how strategic you want to get in terms of your financing options. So real short, real sweet, to the point, no fluff, no BS. Once again, you want my funding ebook or you want my credit repair ebook, they're not the bland 609 templates that everybody has. Please check the description and the link, and you can find all the information there. Thank you.